Turkey's defense industry has reached a significant milestone with the certification of the Anka Unmanned Combat Aerial Vehicle, or UCAV, to deploy the L-UMTAS missile. Developed by Turkish Aerospace Industries, this new capability turns the Anka into a powerful tank hunter, capable of carrying out precision strikes with incredible accuracy. The Anka is a medium-altitude, long-endurance UAV, designed to serve multiple roles in modern warfare, including surveillance, reconnaissance, and now, combat operations. With an operational endurance of over 24 hours and a service ceiling of 30,000 feet, the Anka is able to cover vast areas while avoiding threats. Equipped with satellite communication, it can transmit real-time, high-resolution imagery, making it an effective tool for surveillance in the most challenging environments. But the addition of the L-UMTAS missile takes the Anka to the next level. This cutting-edge weapon system is designed for anti-tank and anti-armor operations, and it can engage both moving and stationary targets with laser-guided precision. With a range of up to 8 kilometers, the L-UMTAS allows the Anka to strike from a safe distance, neutralizing even the most heavily armored vehicles. Its tandem warhead, explosive fragmentation, and thermobaric capabilities make it a versatile solution for a wide range of combat scenarios. This certification transforms the Anka from a reconnaissance platform into a true combat asset. With the ability to carry out precision strikes on both armored vehicles and static targets, the Anka now plays a key role in the Turkish military strategy. The addition of the L-UMTAS missile also positions the Anka as a highly effective, low-cost option for anti-tank and precision strike missions, making it an attractive platform for export. This is not just a technical achievement for TUSAS and Roketsan, it's a testament to Turkey's growing influence in the global defense market. As demand for advanced UAV technology continues to rise, Turkey's ability to offer such a capable system will only strengthen its defense partnerships worldwide. The Anka UCAV, with its new missile capabilities, is a game-changer in modern warfare. It not only boosts Turkey's military operational capabilities but also strengthens its position as a leader in unmanned aerial systems. The future of the Anka looks brighter than ever, and it will undoubtedly continue to play a key role in Turkey's defense strategy moving forward.